In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a base plate in AutoCAD step by step, using a very simple workflow that you can follow even if you're a complete beginner. This is a great exercise if you want to learn basic 2D shapes, simple 3D modeling, and how to create evenly spaced holes in a plate quickly and accurately. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Alright, let's jump into AutoCAD and get started. First, open AutoCAD and start a new drawing so you have a clean workspace to work in. Once you're inside, we're going to create the main outline of the plate. Type rectangle into the command line and press enter. Now click to set your first corner, then type the dimensions for the plate. In this example, we're using at 200, 200, which creates a 200 by 200 rectangular plate. Press enter and you'll see the basic plate outline appear on your screen. Next, we need to give this plate some thickness so it becomes a 3D object. Type Extrude and press enter. Select the rectangle you just drew and press enter again. AutoCAD will now ask for the height or thickness. Type 10 and press enter. That gives your plate a thickness of 10 units, turning the flat rectangle into a solid base plate. Now that the main body is ready, let's add the holes. Type circle and press enter. Click near one corner of the plate to place your first circle. Make sure it's positioned where you want the hole to go, since this circle will be copied to the other corners. After that, we're going to duplicate this circle using the copy command so all the holes are placed evenly. Type copy and press enter. Select the circle, then press enter again to confirm your selection. AutoCAD will ask for a base point, so click directly on the circle to set the reference point. Now move your cursor toward the opposite corner of the plate and click to place the copied circle there. This gives you a matching hole at the other corner. If you need holes at all four corners, repeat the copy process until each corner has a circle in the correct position. Take your time here and make sure the spacing looks consistent. Once all the circles are placed, we're ready to cut them through the plate. Type PressPull and press enter. Click inside each circle one at a time and then push down through the plate to remove the material. You want to make sure the extrusion goes all the way through so the holes are fully cut out. Repeat this for each circle until all the corner holes are completed. At this point, you should have a clean base plate with evenly placed holes, which is exactly what you want for a simple mechanical part or practice model. This workflow is one of the easiest ways to build a base plate in AutoCAD because it combines basic drawing, extrusion, copying, and hole cutting into just a few commands. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.